This will simulate a worst case scenario of an extended loss of power on a national level. Now, the purpose of this is not to scare you, rather to help you prepare in advance should we as Americans ever find ourselves in such a catastrophic event. Now, how many of you would have wanted something like this in 2019 to prepare for a global pandemic? Use this with that mindset. I will go through a timeline from the first 5 minutes post-event to 30 days after, addressing recommended actions in the following categories: food, water, shelter, security, and medical. Now, the priorities of these categories will change as time elapses. Always remember that in any life-threatening situation, address the thing that can kill you first. Again, I'm creating this as a guide to survive. Preparation is 90% of surviving any life-threatening situation. So take the time to review this video and identify deficiencies or areas that you need to augment supplies and equipment. When doing this, make sure you account for the total number of people you will be enduring this with, to include any special needs like allergies or medications required. Additionally, I would suggest as you go through this exercise, spend time on your mindset. For example, think about where your mental status might be after 15 days without power in the cold of winter. Okay, let's go. It's winter, 10:30 p.m. You're getting ready for bed after a long day. A storm has rolled in and has dumped almost 12 inches of fresh snow on the ground. As you head to your bedroom, suddenly the lights go out. You stumble over to your window and look out upon the city to see total darkness. The grid is down. 5 minutes after. Light. Get your Ford Patriot's Halo XT flashlight. Secure your home. Check that all doors and windows are locked. Turn off gas if your home is equipped. Attempt to collect any water from sinks, showers, and toilets while there still may be pressure. Close all interior doors, creating interior boundaries. Decide on a living space that is in the interior-most area on the ground level of your home. Set up your Ford Patriot's Sidekick generator and turn on a lamp. Turn on your Ford Patriot's Liberty Band radio to monitor for information. One day after. Continue monitoring your Liberty Band radio for information and maintain its charge. You should have at least 2 Ford Patriot's Halo XT flashlights, so one can be charging in a window while you are able to use the other. Maintain this rotation. Set up your Ford Patriot's power generator to include solar panels outside in an area not easily seen. Check the status of your refrigerator freezer and plug it into your Patriot power generator using an on for 3 hours, off for 8 hours charging technique. And make an inventory and a ration plan by consuming perishables first. Create a ration plan for water you have on hand to include what you have collected from sinks, showers, and toilets. You should also have 40 to 50 gallons of potable water stored in your hot water heater. Save this for last. Assemble all Ford Patriot's survival food and begin a 30-day ration plan for this as well. Gather blankets, sleeping bags, a small mattress, pillows, firearms and ammo, and organize your living area. Perform an exterior security sweep of the perimeter of your home to include monitoring to see if any power in the area has been restored. If possible, gather as much snow as you can in containers while not allowing your body temperature to get too low. Create an area on the exterior of your home for waste to include human waste. Okay, folks, you need to stop and realize that you may be in this situation for a while. This is the time to shift into a long-haul survival mindset. Help is not on the way. You need to mentally prepare for this existence for several weeks. Limit your expenditure of energy, but stay busy with a series of chores and activities to keep your mind busy. create a daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.